Good morning to one and all. Today we are going to speak about the topic file handling through C++. So we are going to talk about files, files in C++. First, what is an file? So how we are handling the files? What is the difference between the files and the folders? Everything we are going to speak about here. So first, in the file handling is used to store data permanently in computer. Using file handling, we can store our data in the secondary memory. That is um, suppose in files in memory itself there are two types of memory: main memory, secondary memory. So in what all are we are saving, what are all we are having in secondary memory will be safe and permanent. So main memory is it is not a permanent, it is a temporary. So whatever file we are having it in any device, we have to store in the only in the secondary memory. So that is known as being as a file. Volatile memory, non-volatile memory is there. So file handling is used to. So this is how we are going to see how we are going to handle the file, how we are going to store the file. So here file handling stores the data in the secondary memory, that is in hard disk. After that, in file handling, we need to follow the filing steps. So if we create a file or if we create a file and store it in the secondary memory, we have to follow some steps. That is, we have to name the file by giving the file name, then opening a file, writing data into a file, reading data into a file, closing a file. So first, we have to name the file and we have to open a file open. We can write data or read data from the file and we have to close the file. This is an input stream. Input stream, output stream. We are going to see about the file input and output stream. First, what is known as the stream? Stream is a flow of data from one end to from one end to the another end. There is a flow of data. That it means the streams. So what will be the in streams? There are two types of streams. One is input and the one is output. So what we are doing, all the files are stored in the disk files. So in the disk files, we are reading data. We are reading data that is given in the input data. So file flow from the disk files to the program is known as the input stream. That is flow of data from disk file. We are reading data and reading the data as an input data. So file transfer from disk files to the program, that is known as an input stream. And what is an output stream? From the program, we are getting the output, write data, that is known as an output stream. Streams in C++. So in this, we are going to explain about the streams. The sequence of bytes given as input to the executing program and sequence of bytes that comes as an output from executing program are called as stream. That is, I told what will be the stream. It is the flow of data from one end to the another end. Same thing from another end to this one. How we are getting input and receiving output. So first one, the given input after executing the program that comes as an output. First one, what will be in the sequence of bytes given as an input to the executing program. So what we are doing is what we are giving input, and from the program that comes as an output. This is known as a stream. So streams are nothing but the flow of data in a sequence. Next, the input and output operation between the executing program and the devices like keyboard and monitor are known as console IO operation. So here, the stream of data from keyboard and the monitor, whether it is an input or output. Input, how we are giving from the keyboard, giving from the keyboard, or else any input devices we giving input, and monitor from the monitor or any display output device, we are receiving the output. So this is known as a console input output operation. So this is done by the between the program and the device. This is done by the program and the device. Program and the device means any input device or output device. Next, the input and output operation between the existing program and files. Program and files. This is known as the disk IO operation. So, programs will be stored in any types of the file. Any types of disk or a drive as a C colon, D colon, E colon, etc. File will be stored. So, their execution between the program and the file. This is known as a disk IO operation. Next class is for the file stream operation. The IO system of C++ contains set of classes for file handling. So there will be the ifstream, ofstream and fstream classes. And this is a simple diagram to explain about the C++ stream classes. So it is a hierarchical structure, tree structures. The main base class will be the IOS. So from the base class, everything is an in hierarchy structure. It is a derived class. So what all streams it inherit? iStream, stream buffer, output stream. So this iStream and OStream combine to the IO stream. Next another iStream with assign, IO stream with assign and output stream with assign. This is a simple hierarchical structure of the stream classes. Now we can see one by one. First, this is the main base class. This is the main base class. What is the file? IOS. This IOS stands for input output stream. So this will be the base class in the class hierarchy. What it does, from this base class, every input output operations is get inherited. So this class contains the necessary facilities that are used by all other derived classes for input and output operation. Next will be the I stream. So what is an I stream? It is an input stream. So this is mainly derived from the IOS base class. So from the base class IOS, this I stream is a derived class. So I stream means it is an input stream. So this class handles only input stream. Now how we are going to give the input to the program? It is done by the extraction operator. So by using this extraction operator, we are giving the input to the program. So extraction operator is overloaded in this class to handle input stream from files to the program execution. This class declares input functions such these are all functions, input function, get function, get line and read. So using this function you can used as an input function to read the data. Get line, one line input and data. Next is an O stream. So O stream means it is an output stream. So it is also derived from the base class IOS. So this O stream is a derived class. So it is an output stream. This is used insertion operator to see the output. Overloader same as it program execution. So overloader handle output stream to file for the execution. So this declares as an output function. So there for input function we have get, getLine, read data, and for output function we have put and write function. Next stream buffer. Buffer means always it is used for the storage place. Stream buffer. This class contains a pointer which points to the budget which is used to manage input of budget. So what are all we are giving in input stream and output stream, everything it is stored in the buffer called stream buffer. Next is the fstream base. Here what we are doing, this class provides operation common to the file stream, serves as a base for fstream, ifstream and ofstream. So this will be the base for it. So with this class contains open and close functions. So we are going to open the function or close the function only by this stream. ifstream. This class provides input operation. So it is going to be the open function. So inherit what all the functions going to be get, getLine, read, seek, and tells functions from the ifstream. Next for an ofstream. This is an output operation. So it contains the open function with the default mode So inherit what all function put, write, seek, and what the output stream, fstream. This class contains support for simultaneous input and output operation. So this will be inherit function ifstream and ostream file buffer. So this is as usual buffer for storing the data. So here we are going to purpose to set the file buffer to read data. Here we are what we are doing is read and write data. We are setting operation. We can use also file buffer number function determine the length of the file. Next files. These are having the common three classes ifstream, ifstream, ofstream. So in this ofstream, what is going to do? It is going to this class. Using this class, we are going to write the files. Ifstream to read the file, and ifstream is for both read and write the files. So this is a simple structures. From IO base, we are inheriting IOS. So IOS will be the base class. From that, we are doing iStream, IO stream, and output stream. So another thing, buffer is used for the storage place. Then iStream, this is we are using CA, and by using the extraction operator, we giving the input data. Same as the output stream, we are using the cout, cr, clock, and for output stream. Then fstream, here we are using for the streaming of data. Fstream, upstream. Then as usual, buffer will be stored as an file buffer. After that, in string, these are used for the strings. The string view, post string, and string buffer. Sample program. So what is a program about? It is a simple file and a program C++ to reading and writing data. Just we are going to read the data and write data on the file. So whatever we are declaring register number P and the name of the character. So we are taking roll number, name and fees. Using cout, we are going to print enter the roll number, name and fees, and by cin we are using to take the input data register number, name, fees. So offstream F4. So this is the file location we are going to take it. We are going to open the file connections. So what all we the effort is register number, tab space, that name, this we are going to write details in the file. After that we have to close the file again by using the ifstream class. This is the file location equivalent to one. After that, by using the fn statement, we are going to read the data as a register number, name, piece. Then we have to close the connection by using the fn. After that, by using cboard, we are going to print as a register number, name,